So here's an interesting specimen. You guys know our buddy Kiwi. He's getting a car ready to go to the No Name Nationals, and he's actually working with Mopar on this. And it's a 68, I think, Barracuda notchback. And he scored this here 446 pack. Now he got a pretty good deal on it, and based on what he paid or he worked out, just the visual end of it, the 6-pack carburetor set up brand new, the Edelbrock aluminum heads brand new, sweet valve covers, he got a good deal. But we have no idea what's inside of this thing, so we figured let's tear this down, you know, real time, and see what's in there, assess what we got to do, and
see what's in it.
See what's up. So that's it. We're Al's taking the water pump housing off. So while he's doing that, I have to give a shout out to my granddaughter Allison, who just turned 3. So she was over the house the other day, and she saw that I had a boo-boo on my arm. So she put this here sticker, this ladybug sticker, on my arm, and the boo-boo is healing. And Allison, you did an awesome job, doing everything it can to keep it in place, but it's wanting to peel off now. But thank you, sweetheart. Okay, so the valve covers are already loose, right? Yes. Ooh, okay, so we got some nice aluminum rocker arms. Okay, those are nice. I have no idea who makes them. They're pretty, but there's no push rods. Al, it has no push rods.
No push rods.
Okay, so this thing was definitely not ready to run. But again, nice pieces. We're doing good so far. Let's get these things off of here. All right, everything is just finger tight on this engine. Oops. Oh, okay, we got studs. This looks like a nice ARP stud set.
Yeah, I believe the rockers are from CompCam.
Okay. I don't know. I can't identify them by.
I don't know if they're 1.5 or 1.6.
Okay, so we got a combination of studs and bolts holding this thing on. Let's take the side off. The 6-pack setup looks complete. It's missing fuel lines. I don't have the fuel lines on this side. It's missing the shutdown linkage on this side. But other than that, the carburetors look all brandy new. Whoops. I think he got a really good deal on this, to tell you the truth.
Oh yeah. I mean, just the parts that are on it right there.
You have the wrenches for the, oh, these are all finger tight. He was like, hey, I think it's ready to run. No, it's not, Kiwi. Everything is just finger tight. These the heads are Edelbrock. What are these? E Street. Edelbrock E Street heads. So you want to try to do something like this without doing edits, but it's like, how long are the viewers going to stand there watching us unscrew bolts with our fingers? I think you got a dowel over here.
Yeah. They just
oh, wait, you got the bolts in the bottom?
Yep. Yep. It's just they used a lot of silly putty.
Okay.
A little bit too much silicone.
Now, why would they put silicone on it and leave everything else loose?
Right.
This was done by I can't say it. This was done by another entity known on YouTube. Okay, I got one tight bolt here. Got a box wrench for that.
Loose. And we got a double roller.
Oh, nice. Okay. Now it doesn't have a damper, right?
Nope.
You have to figure out what crank is in here to know what kind of damper to put on it. Okay. everything is kind of finger tight. We gotta undo these head bolts. Head studs are in there. Okay, that's glued down.
It's like using a lot of glue.
Ow! Gotta watch yourself on these gaskets.
Uh-oh.
Allison, I got another boo-boo, Allison. All right, we're gonna have to destroy this thing to get it off. I don't know what the hell they used on it.
Permatech 9000.
Alright, so it looks like we got a flat tappet cam in here. So it's solid or hydraulic? Well, actually, it appears to be a solid cam. Look, I'm getting blood all over all of Kiwi's stuff. Well, it's a combination of the purple break-in stuff and blood.
Well, at least we know this motor's gonna have good DNA in it.
It's definitely color coordinated, and I think it goes good with the orange. All right. So we have an unknown flat tappet cam. Okay, all of these head bolts here are more than finger tight. Those really don't look like, I mean, I don't know what the stock valve springs are rated for. But these actually, it's very thin wire.
I believe the heads and stuff are rated up to 600 lift.
These heads have never been run.
No.
No porting, no gas. Well, they don't really need gasket matching. It's a single bolt.
Yeah.
Which the hotter Chrysler camshafts always have 3.
Hand me one of those trays. On my box there.
Let's see.
Yeah, it's like the other day I did a brief thing on this, and I had a lot of people sitting there saying, well, just drop the motor in, it's complete. You never know until you get inside, and we've already found a lot of, you know, things missing, things loose.
Well, imagine if we had to put it in the car without any push rods.
Right?
All right, some of these intake bolts are, some of the head bolts are finger tight here.
Yeah, loose them up. I've already broke them loose.
Oh, I thought I had just exceptionally strong fingers.
Well, you know. No, I broke them loose and came back with this.
Yeah, look at that.
And see, and the ARP studs weren't all the way down either.
The studs aren't screwed all the way down into the
No,
block?
because they're wanting to come out with a nut.
People complain, oh, we never see you work.
Right?
Oh, look, I'm working.
We're working, we're working. Real time, folks.
Okay. How many more of these do we have?
I think one more.
We got the whole row here.
Oh, that's, yeah.
Oh, you missed one out. That one's tight.
Not sure if that's...
Thank you, sir. All right, now let's
see what we got.
Let's make it rain hardened steel washers.
You think?
Sure. Okay, that looks nice.
Looks like with those engine power.
Flip that head over. Let's get the combustion chamber there. Okay, those are nice.
Oh yeah.
That closed chamber head. Okay, hey Kiwi, you got some nice stuff here. And, I'd like to roll this motor over to TDC somehow and see what the relation is.
Yeah, I think these are 83cc heads.
No, everything would be smaller than that. It'd be in the 70s, I believe. Come on.
Actually, they're 84cc heads.
Are they?
Yep.
Does it say it on the head? Oh, you took notes. You did your research. See, you
Yes,
did your
sir.
homework. I do all of this stuff just off the top of my head.
We got 214 and 181 valves in it.
Okay. I got one up there. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeah.
That's it?
I think that's it. Yeah.
All right, well, it's definitely not a quench motor.
Nope.
You know, I mean, that's, what would you say? That's probably around 70, 80 thousandths
Oh,
down the
at least.
hole.
About 70,000. Yeah.
Head gasket thickness. But still, I mean, it's not a quench motor, but it's nice. Cylinder walls are all fresh machine. Kiwi, you did good with this motor, bro. Oh, let's pop the oil pan off and see what kind of crank we got in here.
Let's see, it looks like they're 30 over.
It's got a C-body oil pan. You can tell by this kick-out over here, and that works well with the A-body. You guys want to put a big block in the A-body and keep all the factory parts. This is the pan you want to use. I think it's going to need something deeper than that, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can get these with my finger. Oh, we got one more. Don't trip, I don't have insurance. If you get hurt, I have to drag you outside and run you over with my car.
I was going to say, one in the backyard policy.
All right. Okay. So we have a nice forged crank, and we got.
Looks like everything's been balanced in her.
Yeah. Kiwi, I believe you scored on this thing, brother, man. You got some really good stuff here.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now we just got to get all the parts to complete the build.
Yeah, no windows tray.
Yep. So oil pan, window tray, push rods, harmonic balancer.
Yeah, guys, if you ever going to use this style oil pan, on any sort of high-performance Mopar engine, you need a windage tray. Well, that looks good, bro. That looks really nice in there.
Yeah.
Very nice. Well, I do see one thing that's a little troubling. Now,
Okay.
look at this rod here. Look at the pin. Cat, here, come here. Come around this side. I think we have a bent connecting rod. You look at this, look at the distance there, and look at the distance there. See how much wider it is here than it is here? The comparison, let's look at another one. See, this one is centered. Okay, let's see. That one's centered.
That one's centered.
Yes, they're all centered.
Except for that one.
Except for this one right here. We got a bent connecting rod. Yeah, they're all...
Yeah, they're all straight, or
They're all
centered
straight.
except for that one.
Yeah, Kiwi, we got one bad rod here, bro. So I think what we need to do at this point is tear this whole thing apart, check clearances, make sure that that's all good, and then start putting together a list of
The
what
things we're gonna need.
we're going to need. You'll cover that on your channel, yeah?
Right.
Mopar Al. So if you want to see the next step on this, inventorying it and like seeing what parts we need, Mopar Al. And I guess that's it. Let's blow the rest of this apart and
Stay tuned.
call it a day. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so there you go. Inside Kiwi's Mystery 446 pack. Not bad.
No, not bad.
Why'd they let that go with a bent rod?
Might have been an oversight.
I believe so. See you tomorrow.